In this video, I'm going to show you how to craft legendary weapons. First and most importantly, you'll need the blueprint for the legendary weapon. Once you have the blueprint, check the other materials you'll need. If you're missing any materials, check the marketplace to see if other players are selling them. If it's not available in the marketplace, you can try finding it on the battlegrounds. You can loot containers to gather the materials you need. Also visit specific locations where the necessary ores spawn. Once you've gathered all the necessary materials, you're ready to craft the legendary weapon.